Hello boys, you know Mr. Bennett, and today we're gonna look at functions. Alright guys, I kinda did that one because I want the thumbnail. So big up, big up. Alright, let's go, let's go. As you forward on guys, hit the like button, alright? Big up everybody who has support Mr. Bennett, right through, right through. Big up guys, big ups. Alright, so we're gonna look for functions tonight. I'm gonna kill it off in a jiffy. Alright? No long thing. As long as everybody get the concept, we can move on. I want to say, hit the like button if you're on the peeps, hit the like button. If you're watching playback, hit the like button same way. So we say, Alright, so let's go, let's go. Alright. So peeps, hit the like button, let me know, say, on the day, no man, we not deal with functions, no man. I'm yeah, give me a few minutes. Alright, yeah. Guys, I want my student mom that called, some money thing. Alright, let's go, let's go. So say we have f of x, we're gonna start off very simple. As I said guys, that one is for the thumbnail, why I did that, right? Let's just say we are given a function. F of x is equal to 2x plus 5, right? And we are asked to find, let's say for example, put 2 in this function. Alright? So what C-sec will do, then we write f2. So what you're going to do now is basically substitute the value. Anywhere you see x, you're going to substitute the value 2 in the equation. So let's just write it back. So we have 2. Remember, the input is 2. So we put 2 there. So we need to color code it for you, guys. Hit the like button for that, no man. Hit the like button. The man I got hard. The man I got hard for no. All year round too. It's not about the views. Alright, so 2 times 2, that is 4. Plus the 5. So 5 plus 4 is equal to 9. So our answer would be 9. Alright? So I want you guys to try same function. F of x is equal to 2x plus 5. But this time you're going to put f negative 1 in the function. Alright, so guys, don't go nowhere, I'm going to collect some money and come right back. I'll eat it up. guys, I'm back. Yeah, don't know where type in the answer I want to get. Alright, so we have f negative 1, right? So now, we write back the function, which is 2x plus 5. Now we're going to put negative 1 for x plus 5. So 2 times negative 1, remember the bracket means to multiply, so that will give us negative 2 plus 5, which works out to be positive 3. Alright, so it's not hard. Hit the like button up, peeps. Hit the like button. What not deal with? What not deal with? Let's go. Alright, not all the time you're going to be given a straight line function, right? A straight line graph. Sometimes you're going to be given a graph that is a curved graph, alright? So what happens when we are given a curved graph? Guys, make sure so you have on the book or you take notes and them thing there. That can help you pass, you know, man. Alright, so let's go. Hit the like button as you forward on. Respect everybody, respect. After tonight, everybody are going to understand functions. Whatever time you watch this video, no more will functions be a problem. It's going to be a problem no more. Alright? Forever. You are going to understand this. Just stay on for the live. Hit the like button as a forward and we know say you didn't know, man. We will not deal with, man. Let us say we are given a graph. Let us say the graph is h of x is equal to x squared plus 2x minus 5, for example. Right? And we are asked to find h positive 1. So we are keep that one here simple so everybody can find it. So anywhere you see x, we're going to substitute the value of x. So x is going to equal to 1. Anywhere we see x, alright? So let's just use black to represent x. You know, black are the color, right? So that's x squared plus 2 times x minus 5, right? Anywhere we see x, we put 1. 1 square means 1 multiplied by 1. That's what the power means. The number multiplied by itself. Alright? 2 times 1 is 2. So we expand the bracket, we get 2 and then we minus the 5. Alright? So let us simplify now. So 1 times 1 is 1 plus 2 and then we subtract the 5. Alright? So 1 plus 2, that's equal to 3 and then we subtract 5. Now 3 subtract 5 is equal to negative 2. Alright, if it's not sure how we get the negative, you need to go back to my earlier videos. But I'll give you a little sneak peek. Now 5 negatives, we have 5 negatives, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Big up to the new people who watch me live and join my class. Big up, I appreciate you. Alright, space are full up now, guys, you don't have to hurry. So 1, 2, 3. So 2 are left and they are negative. Now I want you guys to do this one. Same function, but this time you're going to put h2. So you're going to put 2 in the function and type that in the comment section, alright? Let's go, guys, let's go. Type that in the comment section. And share the live, make people can join. So wait, no one nobody feel, you know. Share the live. But just watch it playback, hit the like button, peeps. Hit the like button. Alright, yeah man, we see it. Alright, so more likes. Big up everyone. And we say pass, you know. a little tip of people, Mr. Bennett. But we not boast, guys. We not boast. We just keep it real, you know. But we know we can do it thing, because we've been at it for over the years, you know. Type that in the comment section, let me see what go on. You'll find H2. Big up Stephanie Green, RC Vlogs, big up, big up. People go subscribe to them channel, like a channel. Big up, man, big up. More people are joining, you know. So you know some mad thing again tonight, don't? Yeah. Alright. So we have h of x is equal to x squared plus 2x minus 5. That's the first one, right? And we did 1. So we put h1. So we said that anywhere we say x, we substitute the value 1 in the equation, right? So that's 1 squared, which means 1 times 1, 2 times 1, and then we simplify. 1 times 1 is 1 plus 2. Now we are asked to put 2 in the same equation. So let us go to that. KC, man, I hope you're on, you know. So we know that h of x is equal to x squared. So write back this equation right here. Plus 2x minus 5. We know that. That was given, right? Now we're going to replace it with 2. So anywhere we see x, we're going to put 2. So let's just go. So we have 2 squared. Color code, you know, guys. I have to tell the teacher them style too, alright? Them know them style. Say, yo, them can color code the thing. So we have 2 minus 5. So how we do, we rewrite this. Now 2 squared means 2 multiplied by 2. Put back your plus. Don't get it confused now. Alright, the bracket means to multiply. So 2 times 2 is 4, and then we minus the 5. Alright? So let us simplify now. 2 times 2 is 4, so that's 4 plus 4, and then we minus 5. So 4 plus 4, that's 8, and then we minus the 5 from the 8. So our answer is 3. Alright? Squad eye. Everybody know if you do it now, you know. Hit the like button for Mr. Bennett there, peeps. Hit the like button. Let me give you some more view. Hit the like button up, peeps. So now wait, pan. Let the thing go viral, man. Alright. So guys, let us try another one. So everybody must take down that by now. Once you type this one in the comment section, guys. Come on, man. Let's go. Let's go. So this one now, we're going to call this one f. So f of x, big up St. Mary's College for the marker here, minus 2x plus 1. Alright? Now, I want you guys to find f1. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Who can be the first to type in that? Let's go. Let's go. Alright, somebody says 0. Any different answer from 0? Alright, so everybody a warm up, so we could do it now. 3 Tyreek's a 3. Yeah, man, I want for people will help, guys, but we're not hype about it. At ear time, what me do, me just take few persons and do a one video. 0. Stephanie Green says 0. Avania Pencil says 0. Alright, so I could share along that one here, guys. I could share along that one here. Alright, so anywhere we see X, we're gonna put 1. We are gonna use blue for 1 this time. So that's 1 square. 1. Alright. So we have minus 2 times 1 plus 1. Alright. So this is our situation now. 1 square means 1 multiplied by 1. 2 times 1, that is negative 2. And then now we put the plus 1. Alright. 1 times 1, that is 1 minus 2 plus 1. Alright, so 1 minus 2, that is negative 1. Negative 1 plus 1, that is 0. Alright, so well done. Well done, guys. We know warm, we are warm up, you know. We know warm, we are warm up. 0 is correct. Alright? Guys, if you're on, just hit the like button. That's how we know you're on, you know. Just hit the like button. Yeah, man, big up. Alright. I want you guys to do this one for f of x, same function, but this time we're going to put a twist to it. We're going to put f negative 1. Let's see how well you guys can do that. I'm going to give you guys, as he said, give your time, alright? So I'm going to give you guys 3.5 minutes. 4 minutes. Be reasonable. Alright, 4 minutes. That's the answer, guys. Type in the answer fast, fast, fast. Let's go, let's go. Alright, me see 4. Alright, somebody said them new. I didn't get the name. Welcome, man, welcome. This is the place for you, man. This is the place for you. You can't go wrong with Mr. Bennett, alright? Nobody when English I think here some periods that talk about somebody in the Composite, but so I get that information saying, alright? Alright, let us work it out and see if it's 4. Thanks for the responses, guys, alright? Big up everybody. You can't run with Mr. Bennett, as me say. And we know it's not hype thing, but a mad thing when it comes to Mr. Bennett. I'm mad. Alright, so we have f negative 1, right? So this time, write back the function. So the function says x squared minus 2x plus 1. Alright? And now we're going to put negative 1. So it's no longer positive, but negative 1. Alright? And this can be a little bit tricky, guys, but can't tricky for my subscribers, you know. You're mad. The other students who don't know me. Alright, let's go now. So we have negative 1 multiplied by negative 1, because that's what square means. Alright? And then we have negative 2 times 1, and we have plus 1 here. Alright, I'm going to shell down this now. Negative 1, and negative times a negative, that is positive. So we get 1 right here. 2 times 1, that's negative 2, and then we add 1. So this look like another 0 now, guys. This look like another 0, right? So 1 minus 1, that's negative 1, so that is 0. Don't worry, guys, you're going to fix it. You're going to fix it. Prim say 0 are the answer. Prim Kumar say, oh, Kumar, you are in Pakistan, right? That's why you say morning. Alright, it's actually about 7 p.m. in Jamaica. Because everybody know I'm from Jamaica. Yeah, man. But I think that's for either Pakistan or India. India. Okay, big up, man. Big up. India are the brightest people, let me know, man. Trust me, we're real to know. Big up, man. Mad thing, mad thing. Alright. Welcome, man. Welcome. See that, guys? Real top people, them, you know. Real mathematician, them. Trinidad, too, you know, we rate them. Jamaican, if you step up them game. The Indian thing, them not normal, you know. Big up, man. Welcome, welcome. I hope you can understand me also. I know some part of India, they speak different languages. But guys, but Kumar, me not lie, you know. On the movie, them kind of weird, you know. But big up on yourself, same way. Yeah, man, that's some magic people. That's some magic movie we have, man. Man, I'll fly from here so to USA. Foot not touch ground. Big up, man. Yeah, man, welcome. Alright, morning. Alright, so guys, I want you guys to try this one. G negative 1. So guys, if you notice, it's the coefficient of x is not 1. So we have 2x squared plus 3x minus 5. What do we do when the coefficient is not 1? Right? A little hint, remember the Bundas rule. Alright, what the Bundas rule says. Kumar, WhatsApp can work. WhatsApp can work in India, because I know some place they don't allow them something there. I think probably in somewhere in China they don't allow that. If WhatsApp can work, why WhatsApp upon the number here? Want to know more about the culture and them something there? So this is my number. It's our area code to Jamaica. So if you can WhatsApp me, so it's 549-2161. Alright, that's WhatsApp me, auntie. Alright guys, I'm going to shell down this one now, no? Yeah. As guys, before the night done, we're going to look at composite function. Oh, it's a right again. Alright. So it's 5876 549 2161. Alright. Alright guys, so we can look at this one, -2, -1 in the function, alright? So let us set it out. So we have 2 bracket. Let's put in the other stuff them and then we put in 1. Why I color code it, guys? So your brain can remember it, alright? So that's -1. And the expert says so, let me just feel so. Times -1. Alright? So this one is a little bit different. So what we have to do, we have to square first. Alright? So I don't want person saying 2 times 1, that's -2, and you square it and get 4. We must square first. That's the Bundas rule. So we have to say -1 times -1, and that will give us +1. Alright? 3 times 1, -3, -5. Alright? So let's simplify. So 2 times 1, that is 2 -3 -5. Alright? So we can say 2. We can add these because they are both of them negative. And that, our final answer would be -6. Alright? Alright. Well done, Kumar. Man from India. Stephanie also. Oh, sometimes the internet kinda fuzzy. But when it a playback, it playback smooth. Alright, well done, Kumar. Alright, so now guys, what we're gonna be doing now is to do a composite function. Alright? Now, you might ask yourself, you might not be sure. A composite function is combining 2 or more functions. So we're going to combine 2 functions. So let me just write the heading so everybody can know what we are doing. So it's composite. And guys, in about 2 minutes, everyone will understand how to do composite functions. I'm not even joking about it. Alright? So, composite function is combining 2 or more functions. So, let us go. So, let's just say we have f of x is equal to 2x plus 3. And g of x, probably I forgot to rub off this. Rub off this. Is it from my channel too? Alright, so let us say g of x is equal to 5x minus, no, I'm going to use 3. I don't want to use the same number. One person to see the clarity. Alright, and we're going to combine fg. So we're going to find fg of x. And in 2 minutes, everyone on my live, everyone on my playback is going to say, I can do composite function, and it will be true. Alright? So let's go. The clock. I go on the clock now. Cling. Begin. Alright, so this is how we do it. We combine 2 functions. Let us look at the last function. In this case, it's g. So what we do, we write back all of g. So whatever g says, we're going to write it back. So g says 5x minus 4. So what we do, we put that in bracket, and that is going to become our x in f. So what we're going to be doing is to write f, but this is x. Alright, so f says 2, this is our x, 2x plus 3. That's it. All we have to do now is just expand the bracket. So 2 times 5x, that would be 10x. 2 times -4, that's -8, and then now we have the plus 3. Now, if you look closely, this is the only like term, right? Because this have an x term in it. So it's 10x, so we can't just add these. A common error, students will say 10x minus 10 minus 8, that's 2 plus 3, that's 5. No, guys, remember this have x. The only way we can add it is if this have an x in it too. No, it don't have an x, so let's go. So it would be right back the 10x, because that won't change. And then we simplify -8 plus 3, which gives us -5. And that is our answer. Alright? and I'm gonna prove that you guys can do it, I want you guys to do GF. People in the comments, leave that in the comment section. And for the persons who are watching the playback, I want you guys to try it before the video, before I do the solution. So now I want you guys to do this. GF. So notice it's not the same. Alright? So go ahead and do GF. And leave that in the comment section. And let us see if everyone gonna get it from one example. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Okay, yeah, man. I can get the IT if I don't know about the physics. We can get the history, English, and POV. I'm not really sure what POV is, but I'm gonna work on it. Asif says the answer will be the same. Let us see if it will be the same. I am here. I am in Jamaica. I'm right here. I'm here, Kumar. I'm waiting on the answers, all right? I'm not going anywhere, man. We're going to also look at the inverse of a function, all right, guys? As I say, Mr. Anything is not a normal thing, you know. I'm on a live on my YouTube. All right, yeah, man, we can do vectors, not a problem. But you know it's on there already. Resultant vector is on there already. But I can prepare a live for tomorrow. I'm gonna come on about this same time and do resultant vector. Alright? I like to take it from the basic, come right up to, you know. Alright, so guys, let's just do GFX. So we get 10x minus 5. Let us see if it will be the same as Kasif had said. If I don't pronounce her name correctly, forgive me, right? I don't know how it pronounced. I just pronounce it how it looks to me. Alright, so we're going to be looking at GFX. Alright, so write back f. So f is the last function, so write back f, which is 2x plus 3. Now, we're going to be writing g. But this will be our x in g. So this is our x. What's in the bracket? That is our x. Alright, so let's go now. So we have 5x minus 4. Alright. So now all we have to do is just expand the bracket and we're good. 5 times 2, that is 10x. Guys, I'm leaving that in blue because it can't touch. It's going to be 10x is a part of the answer. 5 times 3, that is 15 minus 4. And I saw that answer. 15 minus 4, that's 11. Alright? So it's 10x plus 11. Well done. I think it was Kumar or Stephanie, one of those I type it, person I type it in. Well done. So it's 10x plus 11. And that is our answer. Alright? Alright. So guys, we're going to mix it up a bit. Same composite function. But this time we're going to mix it up a bit. Alright? Alright, we're going to use G and H for this one. Let us say G is equal to x squared. H of x, should I change the color? H of x is equal to x plus 1. Alright? And what we're going to be doing is to find G, H, and also we're going to find H, G. You guys are free to try. Go ahead and try. I will give you guys some minutes. People in this watching the playback, you also are free to try before I do the solution. Alright? Thanks guys. 14 likes. Big up man, big up. At least we know it's a 14 person on. Alright? Appreciate that man. And guys, remember to share the live so others can come on. Nazim Asaraf. That's how you pronounce the name. Avina Pencil. Aviana Pencil. That's a real name, Pencil. Yeah man, I'm gonna do the vector. I have no problem doing it. Alright? And you're gonna say you never know such a vector is easy. Okay. Big up man. You never out a pencil. That is so cool. Her name is Pencil. Wow, that's awesome. Alright, so let us look at this one now, guys. We have GH. So again, the rule says we must write back the last function. Now we have GH, so write back all the H, which is x plus 1. So write back that. So that's x plus 1. Big up St. Mary's College for the markers here. Yeah, I'm school at peeps. Yeah, man. Alright, and we have x squared. Now this is x. All of this is x. So we just square it. Right? And we know that square means a number multiplied by itself. Alright? And then now we expand the bracket. So I'm going to kind of put this in a blue just to differentiate each one of them what's happening. This is what we call expansion. This is already on my channel. So everything already on there. So we have x multiplied by x plus 1. So it's all of this, right? And we do the same thing. We have plus 1 multiplied by x plus 1. So if you notice, this right here is being multiplied by this. So it's this times all of this and then this times this. Alright? So we have x times x, that gives us x squared. X times 1, that's x. Alright, let's go now. 1 times x, that is x. And then we have 1 times 1, which is 1. So we add plus 1. Alright? Now, if you look closely, you will see that these are the only like terms. We have an x squared here. We can't add it onto that. We have a plus 1. We can't add it onto that. So what we do, we just add this and that would be our answer. So it would be x squared plus 2x. And as soon as we are live on this too, as soon as many people come on, we're going to do so many lives. Alright? So many kind of work off for energy, guys. It's like when I come and I see you on, them time them do it. Very good, Nazim. Nazim, which country you are from? Pakistan? That look like an Indian name. Alright. So I want you guys to do this one now. HGX. 2 minutes, guys. 2 minutes. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, Guyana. Guyana. Big up, man. Big up. Land of the chicken curry. Yeah, man, big up, man. One day I hope to visit Guyana. Guyana basically descend from the Indians also, right? That's why you guys always have that name. One Caribbean, guys. One love, man. One love from Jamaica. Alright, so complete that. If you're watching the playback, try to complete it on time also. Alright? Mr. Benny, let's do maths to you guys now. Want to do it in a timely manner. So I want you guys to work on your speed also. Not just to know how to do the maths, but want to increase. So it's x squared plus 1. I saw that answer pop up a while ago. X squared plus 1. Let us see if it's correct. Ironically, I am doing this in both my private classes and my regular school. My regular high school, we're doing this also. X plus 1. Nazim, Stephanie got the same thing. Alright. Man from Guyana. Alright. Big up, big up, big up. I know Guyana people are hardworking, man. Real good people, them. I know Shigna and Chandapal. Bad cricketer. Big up, man. Big up. Alright. So we have HG. So this time we're going to write back G. So G says x squared. So we write back that. Put that in bracket. And now we're going to write back H. H says x. This is our x. So we just plus 1. See how easy, guys? Very good. You guys are correct. So it would be x squared plus 1. And that would be our answer. Alright? So guys, I want to show you another aspect of it. It's very simple. Once you can do this part, you can do that part also. So just give me a chance and I will show you guys that. Alright? Very easy. Alright, so I'm going to use two different functions. The more we practice, the better, don't it? Yeah, man. Alright, we're going to use h. So let's say h of x is equal to 2x plus 3 and g of x is equal to 6x minus 5. Alright? And they can ask you for this. They can ask you for GH2. No need to panic when you see this. All you have to do is just find GH of x first and then substitute the value. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. And you guys going to do HG3 for me. Alright, so let's go. I like to give examples. That's how I teach. Alright, so we have H, which is 2x plus 3. What I will do then after is to give you guys challenging question. So we have 2x plus 3. And then now we have G, which is 6x minus 5. Alright? So write back G. Alright. So we have 6 times 2, that is 12x. Now we're going to multiply 6 times 3, that's 18. A common error is that students sometimes just put back the plus 3. No! Do not do that in the test Thursday. Alright? So we have 12x. 18 minus 5, that will give us 13. But we are not finished yet. What we have found here is GH of x. However, they did ask us to put 2 in this. So what we're going to be doing is to write back this equation. But this time, we're going to substitute 2. Whatever value they give you, it goes right there. Alright? So 2 times 12 times 2, that is 24, plus 13, so that's 27. Alright, let us see if you guys are understanding. I want you guys to do HG3. So you're gonna do that for me, guys. Let's go, let's go. Type in the answer fast, fast. Oh, yeah, man, you can see. Thanks, guys, for the likes and all of that. You know what I mean? Them things that will keep me going, you know. Yeah, man. The likes, them keep me going. That's all I need. Most want to know say people appreciate how I do one thing. That's all. That's trust me, it's not easy. It's not easy. Sheer faith, me take and just do this. But now wait until exam near. Friend call me now, guys. I'm up on my live, I don't know if you answer. Answer is 4. Stephanie said 29. Alice. Hello? Me dey put one live. I know my birthday. It's 38. 30. Oh, people for my life, my birthday October 30, alright? So make sure you guys like up my video them. So my friend mix up my birthday, me make sure I put it out there. October 30. Alright, do. Hey, you know say the other week, my friend called me Saturday and tell me that too. Me I teach him pep class, and one of my friends from college said, happy birthday. I said, I know my birthday. Alright, thanks. Big up JLM for me. Alright. Yeah. Guys, I hope for people rate me, you know. That's why I have 3 birthdays now. Somebody call me on the 1st and say happy birthday. Somebody call me today and say happy birthday. My real birthday October 30, alright? So I put out a video, I want to just say, yo, happy birthday. If we're not busy. Alright, so we have HG. So I see 29 and I see 4. Let us see which is it. So we have HG3, right? So first, let us find HGX. So let us do that. Guys, let's see how I'm color code it. So your brain can remember it, alright? So let us do that. So write back G first. G is 6x minus 5. Put that in bracket. This is going to become our x. And then now write back 2x plus, this is x plus 3. I'm going to shell along this place. Now, 2 times 6, that's 12x. 2 times negative 5. Very carefully, guys. A positive times of that, that's a negative. Alright? And then we have plus 3. Notice we have a plus here, so we just add 3. We don't expand, alright? And all we do now is focus on that part. So we have 12x, that's going to remain. And this is the only x term. And then this now, we have negative and a positive. The negative is bigger, so that leaves negative 7. But remember, we're not true. So what we're going to do, we're going to substitute anywhere we see x, which is right here, we're going to put the value of this, which is 3. Because that's what they want for us to do. Alright? 12 times 3, that is 36. I'm thinking about the 29 now. That makes a lot of sense. So that is 29. You guys are awesome, man. You guys are awesome. Let me give me a clap. Well done. Well done, guys. Well done. Big up, man. Alright. One more of this, guys, and then we're going to look at inverse. We're not going to go all the way into the toughest inverse, but we're going to look at inverse. Alright? Well done, guys. Well done. So we're gonna do one more of this. Further on, closer to exam, I'm gonna give some tougher ones, some past papers. I will be going through some past papers. This is for everyone to just kind of get a feel of it and so. So I want you guys to do GH -1 and HG -2. Alright? And then now we move on to the inverse. Big up, guys, big up. Leave that in the comment section. Alright, let's go. Yeah, we'll go. Alright, let's go. Type it in the comment section. Let's go, let's go. Guys, remember to like the video, alright? Yeah. When you like the video, support. Alright, that's the 3. So, pencil says 3. Let us see what the others say. Stephanie says 3 also, so I'm thinking it's 3 then. And that's for -1, right? Two more minutes, guys, and then we can do the solution. We're gonna give everybody enough time. Alright, someone says 21 for HG. Alright, so we get the 2 answers. Time not up yet, give yourself some chance. Those who are watching playback, ensure so you try the videos, alright? With maths, you must try them. If you don't try them, you're going to be in a lot of problems. Alright? So ensure that you try them and all of that. Alright, let's go, let's go. Alright, so I see 21 now. Pencil says it's 21. Pencil, what grade you're in? When you'll be doing the exam? First, guys, this is the first I'm talking to a pencil. Yeah, man. Big up pencil. Alright, so we have 4x plus 7. So we write back h first, right? Which is 4x plus 7. Big up the man from India, Guyana, same speed, all over the world, guys, all over. Thing I get global, you know. I want to start putting work. Up it I go from here, so up it I go from here, so. Alright, so all we have to do is now expand the bracket, right? So if you're just joining, just watch back the playback, alright? We already gone through this process. So we have 2 times 4, that's 8x, 2 times 7, that's 14 minus 3. So this is going to remain the 8x because there's no other x term in there. So all we have to do is subtract, right? So we have 14 subtract 3, that should give us 11. Alright. So now all we're doing is substitute -1. Anywhere we see x, we replace it with -1. So 8 times 1, that's -8 plus 11. Now the signs are different. Once the signs are different, we subtract. Alright? And that would give us +3. Why +3? Because the 11 is bigger. So you guys are correct. You guys are awesome. You guys should be a part of my class. You know, what I deal with, what I deal with. Yeah, man. Alright, let us look at HG now. So G says 2x minus 3. So write back that first. Remember, write back the last function. G last, write back G. Alright? Now we're going to write back H in terms of this. So this is going to bracket. We have 4x plus 7. And we expand the bracket, right? 4 times 2, that's 8x. 4 times -3, a positive times a negative, that's -12 plus 7. So this will give us back the same 8x, guys. Notice I color code it. Can't go wrong with Mr. Bennett now. -12 plus 4 would give us -5. Alright. So now we're going to substitute -2 in the equation. Alright, let's go. So it's 8 bracket -2 minus 5. 8 times 2, that's -16 minus 5. Both of them negative. So negative minus a negative is like a $16 and then you borrow $5. People actually do that, you know. Them owe and them still a borrow. So this now will give us -21. You owe a total of $21. Very good again, guys. Very good. Alright. So now, before we go, we depend it for 1 hour, guys. Before we go, we're going to look at the inverse of a function. Hope my Pakistan and Indian friends are here. Hope everyone did here same way. Alright? Don't go nowhere, guys. We're going to do the inverse. Or they can watch the playback. Alright? So let us just clear the board, clear thoughts. We're going to look at the inverse. Now the inverse is not hard. Alright? It's just as if you're saying the opposite, undo what was done originally. So let us say we are given a function f of x is equal to, very simple, guys. Notice how Mr. Benny teach. No complicated thing, alright? So f of x is equal to x plus 4. And we want to find out the inverse or the opposite of that. Alright? So what we do, we change the function to y. Whatever function I get here, so change it to y. So that's y equal x plus 4. Alright? Next, we interchange x for y and y for x. So I'm put a little different color there so we can see what I want. So where x is, we're going to put y, and where y is, we're going to put x. Alright? So we interchange. See it? X is there here, so y is there here, so no x. X is there, no y. Alright? And now we have plus 4. Now what we're going to do now, we're going to solve for y. We're going to make y the subject of the formula. Alright? So, we want to get y by itself, we have y plus 4. So just one operation we need to do. And it's to find the inverse or the opposite of plus 4. Type that in the comment section. What's the opposite or the inverse of plus 4? Somebody type that for me, please. What's the opposite of plus 4? Alright. If you type in this, you are correct. Minus 4. That's the inverse. Remember, it's an equation. Anything you do to 1, you must do for all. Alright? So therefore, y is equal to x minus 4. So that implies the inverse, which is written as this, of x is equal to x minus 4. And that is our answer. The inverse of x is x minus 4. Let us get a little bit more complex. Let us say we are given a function g of x is equal to 2x plus 1, and we are asked to find the inverse of g. That's how the inverse is, right? So first, we change the function to y, so that's y equal 2x plus 1. Next, we interchange x for y and y for x. So anywhere x is, we put y, and anywhere y is, we put x. Alright? So now, we have to solve for y. So if you look closely, we need to get rid of the plus 1 and the 2 times 1, y, to get y by itself. Alright? So we have 2y plus 1. So what's the inverse of plus 1? Minus 1. So we subtract 1 first. Anything you do to one side, you do to both sides. So we are left with this now. So we are left with 2y, because 1 minus 1, that is 0. So we cross that out. So now we are left with x minus 1 is equal to 2y. So we take the opposite of 2 times y, which is opposite of multiplication is division. So we divide by 2. And there we have it. The inverse of g is equal to x minus 1 divided by 2. So right here is our answer. Alright? So guys, before we go, I want you guys to try this one. Big up man, happy to see such a good turnout. Guys, I want you guys to share the video for me. Alright? Share it on your social media, share it everywhere so other people can come. Only 35% of students pass this year. We're going to change that. Alright? If you know what's going on. Alright, let us say we are given g of x. I want you guys to try this one. 7x plus 5. Find the inverse for that one. Alright guys? So go ahead and complete that one. 3 minutes max. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Alright, thanks. Divided by 7. Big up, big up, big up. What about the others? You agree or disagree? Alright, let's go. So first we change the function to y. Why we can do that? It's a graph, right? It's a straight line graph. So we have 7x plus 5. Next we interchange x for y and y for x. So where y is, we put x. And where x is, we put y. Simple as that. And now we're going to solve for y. So we're going to keep y on this side, get rid of the 5, get rid of 7. So we attack the one furthest. So we have plus 5. So we attack the one the first, you know, guys. So we subtract 5. What we do to one side, you guessed it, we do to both sides. It's an equation. That's how we balance the equation. Right? And next we divide, because this is saying 7 times y. 7y means 7 multiplied by y, so we divide by 7. Alright? What we do to one side, we do to both sides. Thanks guys, very good. I'm going to leave you guys with another example, one that is much more complex. But guys, look out for my past papers, they want to come up, alright? From about January, we want to start to be past papers. Everybody on my channel is supposed to get straight A in maths. That is my goal. Once you work with me, alright? If my Zoom students them can't get it, you can't get it too. Alright? Alright, let's go, let's go. Big up all them past students them. From Trinidad, Barbados, Guyana, St. Lucia. Big up, big up. You see that I want to come on from a day, you know. Only the other dude, well, me just start box thing, so I can't say nothing. Alright, I'm going to look at this one. We're going to find the inverse of h of x is equal to 2x plus 5 divided by 7. Guys, nobody get worried. It's easy. Alright? So we do the same approach. We change the function to y. So that's y equal 2x plus 5 divided by 7. Next, we interchange x for y and y for x. So where y is, we're going to replace it with x interchange. And then we put where x is, we're going to put y. So that's 2y plus 5 divided by 7. Alright. We're not done yet. Alright. So first, we're going to solve for y. So we're going to get rid of the last thing being done to y. Now, if you read that, it says 2y plus 5 divided by 7. So guess what? We attack the divide by 7 first. Now, we take the inverse of divide, which is, somebody type that in. What's the inverse of divide? I'm going to check back the playback and see now. So that's multiply. So we multiply by 7. The inverse of division is multiplication. Alright? So that means 7 times x, which is 7x. So we now have 7x is equal to 2y plus 5. But we're not finished. We need to get rid of that 5 and the 2. Alright? So we have plus 5. What's the inverse of plus 5? We just did it. We minus 5. Same thing that we did here. So now we have 7x minus 5. Why minus 5? Anything you do to one side, you do to the next to balance the equation. And then now we have 2y. So we're still not finished. We need to get rid of the 2. So we do the inverse. So this is saying 2 times y. So we do the inverse, which is to divide by 2. So we have 7x minus 5 divided by 2. So h inverse of x is equal to, let's write it up here, so 7x minus 5 divided by 2. And that would be our answer. Alright? So guys, before we go, I want to leave you guys with one. You guys can leave this in the comment section. Alright? Thank you guys so much for being a part of my life. Thanks for the interaction. Thanks for trying. This will only help in your development. Alright? And guys, when you're ready, to share long maths the right way, just call. Oh, hold on. We put a minus this time. Alright guys, I'm gonna give you guys 2 minutes to complete that. And then I end the live. Thank you guys so much. Big up on yourself. We got the man from India. From all over the world. Whether Guyana, Jamaica, Barbados, St. Lucia, anywhere you're there. Big up yourself, Mr. Bennett said that. Money we say for young people. But no scamming money, you know. Especially for them up here. Brianna, big up. Thanks for that comment. Alright, big up, big up. Look on the comment there. Mr. May I just see solution now, guys. Alright, so Mr. 8x plus 1 divided by 3. Stephanie Green there. Big up yourself. Brianna Dunbar, bring up yourself. Remember, guys, it's the inverse we have to find, alright? Radish up. That's how you produce it. Radish up. Big up yourself. Good night, good night. Big up, man. Guys, we are doing this until exam, you know. We are doing this until exam. Just work with me. Alright? Priscilla's tingling. If you're still on and you need extra help, just link me, man. You say you're new to this, alright? Me a right person for bring you, alright? Guys, if you hear me a chat part to a part of the culture. Alright, so what we're gonna do this solution. Thanks for the likes again, guys. Big up, big up. We're gonna do the solution for this one and then we end the live. More coming up. Aviana, pencil. Big up yourself. She said get 8x plus 1 divided by 3. Let us see if that is correct. Thanks for the like, guys. And if you're not subscribed, you know if you subscribe. You don't chat. So you can turn on your notifications so you can get, because you know, Mr. Bennett go already. I get popular, you know, guys, I may have one per class, but guess what? I have to find time for my subscribers, them. Alright? So now, we're going to change from y to x, so we interchange x and y. Alright, so now we're going to solve for y. So we multiply by this. And guys, when you can share it to the teacher them to, you know. I mean, I make for them job easier. So them for pick me up too. When I'm a student say, if I not come on TVJ, I tell them say, I don't know about that. TVJ don't contact me. Alright, so we have 8x equal 3y minus 1. So we take the inverse, which is plus 1. I recognize that you guys got this. Very good. You have some good learner, I not lie. You learn fast. I want you in my class. What's up, me guys? I'm make it thing up. You have make a good deal. 3 days a week for CSEC. Plus next week, next year, you don't know a mad thing. And when my marathon start, I look out for the people in my class. But if you don't want to get straight A, nobody contact me. Contact a different teacher. Alright, so we have 8x plus 1 divided by 3. So you guys are correct. And this is how inverse is written. F of x to the negative 1. Once you see it to the negative 1, you could you inverse it. Alright? You mean inverse. One more thing before I go, guys. If they ask you for f inverse of say 2, what would have done, same as we're going to find the inverse, we put 2 in this now. So after we get the solution, we put 2. So it will be 8 bracket 2 plus 1 divided by 3, right? 8 was 16 plus 1. So that will give us 17 over 3 So we know say 3 6s are 18. No, we don't reach 18. So 5. 3 5 are 15. And 2 over 3. That would be our answer. If you love decimal, 5.66. Alright guys, thank you guys so much for being a part of Mr. Bennett Live. Please ensure you share it to the teacher, share it to everybody, share it to the neighbor. I want farmer where you see I got a bush. Alright guys, big up, thank you guys so much. Alright, really appreciate you. See you guys on my next live. Big up. This is Enoch Bennett, I'm out, no doubt. See you guys in another video.